All right, so here we go. We're starting with the sheets. First thing we have to do is pull off this stuff, the silver stuff. So we'll get that pulled off, and then we gotta pull off the bottom side. So just thought I'd get you that on tape to see what's going on. So come back when we start doing some other stuff. So here we go. So now I have the choice, do I start with the silver side, which is easier, or do I start with the white side? I think I'll start with the white side because it seems like it's a little stiffer. It gets more flexible when this stuff comes off, so I'll start with the white side, which is a hard one. I think I got a technique of rolling it up, so we'll see how that goes. But I won't show you because you've already seen the technique of peeling it off. Cool, that's good. All right, so just some more updates. Got these thinner pieces cut out from the bigger ones, so they fit on here better. And then we're getting the blocks, these blocks glued onto these pieces like this, and then the bigger piece right here. Oh, don't break it. Piece right here. Like that, as you can see, I'm getting the cookie cutter pieces cut out. So I just thought I'd give you a little update. This will be all put together. This is another phase of cutting this out and gluing it all up. As you can see, these are elevated. They go down to 0 here. And so there you go. Red Wing clay train is coming together. This will be where Red Wing is at. You can see I already got the Mississippi River notched out right there. So it's coming together. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll have more videos to come. Hello and welcome to These Are Some of the Things I've Built. I wanted to keep you up to date on the Red Wing clay train. And the latest thing that had gotten done is the bench work. As you can see, it's lightweight and it all fits together. That'll be where the foam, which is over here, see the foam, will sit on top. So I already started cutting out the foam and doing the cookie cutter where it's elevated, as you can see. So you can see it. You can see the elevations there.